Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the Market Beast edition. Your fellow compadre is speaking. Today we'll be exploring the beautiful instrument that goes by the ticker symbol of QS, QUANTUMSCAPE Corp. It appears that we will be able to keep the channel going. That's right. The prediction that we made has actually come to fruition. We're going to get into the details here. If you're just stopping in, welcome. We made a prediction about this stock, saying that it would reach a specific level or we would shut the channel down. It's come to fruition. So stick with us to the end. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel with the promotion and the the appropriate thumbs in the comments. So if you guys can continue that, I would greatly appreciate that. And loyal subscribers, of course, welcome back in. Let's get into the charts. We'll get a little bit into TA and of course just celebrate, I guess, a little bit so that we can actually keep the channel now that the price has actually reached that target. I don't care if it's going down, guys. It reached that target. So let's go ahead and dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's February the 18th, 2021, and the previous close of QS is going to be $64.00. It closed negative approximately 3.7% for the day. Okay. A little bit of selling interest coming into the post market there. 62.55 down approximately 2.2% for the post market. All right, guys, so yes, it has come to fruition. Thank you so much for just having an open mind with me. For the new guys, let me just show you what we're talking about here. Here's the lines. Okay, it's really simple, really simple. It's a little bit messy there, but the purple line that you see there says it's save the channel. It's basically the level that we said on this video where the most risky prediction that may close this channel. I think it's like near the 10 minutes and 24 seconds. If you kind of scroll it back to the end there, we said it. If the price did not reach $70.98, we'll shut this channel down. I was serious. I would have shut it down, okay? But it has come to fruition. So again, I just want to thank all of you for having, an open mind with me as I continue to spew these weird predictions over a mic. And let's get into a little bit of TA here. So it appears that the price will likely continue. Oh, this is the last line that we actually put on the chart on our last video. So for those of you who think that the lines that we put on charts are just random, I'm telling you, 64.69. This is the buyer's obligation. So right now the price needs to get above and stay above this level so that the trajectory can continue to the upside. Is it going to? I'm actually not sure, to be honest with you. But the markets are actually moving pretty fast because if you notice here, it only took 6 days to make these two moves, okay? From the lower level down here at approximately $44.51. We'll go and take a really quick measurement of that, see how high the markets have gone up in a 6-day period, market day period, about 64%. I think we also posted a video saying that it will likely be a 50% bounce. Everything has come to fruition that we said on the QS bounce. Okay, so I mean, I know there's critics out there. They're going to say it's associated with some loss to it. I don't care what happens to it at this point. We can successfully keep the channel. That's all I care about. I'm not going to make any more risky predictions. Well, we do have one pending. I'm not sure why I did that, but this one is done. Okay, we can continue to keep the channel. So I'm seeing the QS symbol potentially having a pause. We do have a 3-day close in less than 24 hours. That's pretty interesting. Let's pull up the weekly and see how that looks. Yeah, so I guess as long as the price can stay above, well, remember, this is the buyer's obligation. When I say buyer's obligation, that means that the price must close above this level. So right now we're up against a weekly close and a 3-day close. So what must happen on these two closes, on the 3 days and the weekly, it must get above and stay above 64.69 in order to continue to thrust to the upside. Okay, I still do think that there are sell orders overhead. That's a little bit concerning for me. I think the path is clear all the way up to like $75, and maybe they'll get a nice breakthrough above $80. That's fine. That's a possibility. It's not guaranteed, of course. Definitely don't enter the market based on what I think is possible. Execute your strategies out there. That means know how much you're going to enter. Know where you're going to take profits, know where you're going to exit your position if the market goes against you. Okay, that's what I mean when I say execute your strategy. So that's what I'm seeing. There's just one level. I don't know if you guys write the numbers down. I'll repeat it. 64.69. If we get a close less than 24 hours above this line, then it's likely that the price will attempt to continue to thrust to the upside. Everything looks very interesting on the QS. I'm no longer playing this market. We played it twice. We played it today, and I think the other day when we said we entered the market, very risky contract. We're no longer in the market right now. Okay, we're done. We're sniping the market. We sniped it. We're done. Whatever happens from this point on, I'm not sure, and I really don't care, to be quite frank with you. So that's pretty much it. And if it does not reach those higher levels, I guess I can go ahead and point out the previous level of resistance for you all, if you are interested in hearing that. So let's just say that there is a severe retracement in the market, and the lispindus is concerned, and it goes down to the downside because of a lawsuit. All right, and I guess we can just say it's the most practical level will be right here at approximately $56.33. Okay, so that's what I would be expecting to see over the course of the next week or two. The market is moving really fast. It's not going to take long, honestly. I honestly wouldn't be surprised, if the price just continued to break through above $80 within 3 days. That's a possibility. But yeah, just know how you're going to enter and exit the markets, guys. We're not in this. We're just kind of throwing out numbers, I guess, random numbers and all over the place, I guess, like the critics tell me all the time. So I'm not sure what's going to happen. We're done with it. If you'd like to play this market, again, execute your strategies out there. There's only one level for me that we've already went over on this green line here. So if it stays above, yeah, continue up. If it closes below, it's subjected to lower prices, previous level of resistance that we've already gone over. Thank you for your time, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content, if you found any valuable information, or if you found any interesting levels that we've gone over. If you're new, before you go, we also cover the alternative markets. I'm not sure if you're into Bitcoin and altcoins. We cover that. Subscribe, hit the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. Yes, we covered everything. Out we go. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. Execute your strategies. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.